Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I straighten my hair with this straightener brush. I actually filmed this video, y'all, back in May, and I just never made it to posting it, but I did want to show you all what a straightening brush can do out here, okay? So I'm just splitting my hair in half just to make things a little bit more simpler, and I am adding a little heat protectant. This actually came with the straightening brush that I had, and I'm just smoothing that in to, of course, protect my hair from the heat that I am about to apply to it. So we'll work that in really good. And of course, just like any old flat iron, you do want to go with small sections just to ensure that you are able to get their hair straight. Now, I'm starting off at the roots because the roots be doing me in sometimes, and I just want to make sure that they are straight. For me, it's the most important parts are typically like the roots and the ends of the hair. And as you all will see here, I'm kind of surprised, but I'm actually gonna go back and go over those ends a little bit so that they don't look fuzzy. I hate fuzzy ends. It is like a pain in the butt, so I just like to go back over that. I am overall shocked, but I am noticing that I don't have like much movement in my hair, and I'm actually wondering if it's because of maybe too much heat protectant or maybe just the type of conditioner that I use on this particular day to deep condition my hair. I learned pretty early on that you pretty much have to move really slow with the straightening brush just to make sure that every section of the hair gets heat applied to it. I also noticed that due to the structure of like the straightening brush, you have to like pretty much go over the ends at least like one more time just to make sure that you are getting those fuzzies at the end. I did previously trim my hair on blown out hair probably like a week or so like before filming this video. As you all probably will see towards the end, there were like some ends that I could clean up, and months later, because we are in September right now, you all know that I have also trimmed my hair a little bit more even all over just to kind of catch up with the back, because the back was pretty much way longer than the front. One of my cons with this product is that, honey, it is not going to get the edges like you need it to get. I literally have hair like kind of like on my forehead, and yeah, I couldn't put this on my forehead. Probably a hot comb would have done, but yes, it is very hard to get the edges with this type of brush, but overall I think it is doing a pretty decent job for it to be a straightening brush and not a flat iron. This is one side complete, and as you all can see, the density of my hair seems to be really good. However, I am missing the movement. I'm just missing just a little bit, but overall I'm actually not too mad at it. I am not too mad at the straightening brush. I think it could do for a lot of styles like ponytails or things that you just want to get your hair kind of like more than blown out for, just to get a more silky look. But I am not for certain on whether I would say it's like silk press worthy, but definitely for certain styles where you want your hair to appear straight. So due to my hair not being like as silky straight as possible, and mind you, it is May, actually the very end of May, I am actually going to go ahead and flexi rod my hair because I know that the heat in my hair is not going to mesh well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some body curls in it with these Flexi Rods just to make this style last at least a week, because it is not going to last me more than a week due to the weather, humidity, heat, as well as like this is not the straightest like my hair can be, but we're gonna manage it and do it, because I actually really like how my hair came out straight but not bone straight, because the body curls are going to be giving. So don't worry, just put about 10 Flexi Rods in your hair and it will do the job. So it is the very next day, so I slept with the Flexi Rods overnight, and if you all look really closely, you all can see that I sweated out these edges overnight, honey. It just happened. It's hot. It's very hot and humid, so I already sweated out my edges, but as I take out these Flexi Rods, you all will see the curls that I was able to get and maintain. So I started finger raking, and I was like, okay, let's go ahead and get the large wads to come, kind of like doobie wrap days. Back when I was a child, I used to get doobie wraps, so it is definitely giving doobie wraps. So I am just raking through these curls and basically just pushing the hair back up. Now, if you all see that my back is a little bit oily, I believe that was probably from some extra serum that I sprayed on my hair this morning, and I guess most of it just went right to my back. So anywho, I'm just raking through those curls and basically styling my hair for the day. Right here, I'm just testing my hair out to see if it gets a little too hot during the day, if I'm able to pin it up or clip it up just like this, and look, voila, if it gets a little too hot for me, I can do just this. I do know that I am in need of an edge up, but no curls in the back of the nape is gonna hurt anybody, okay? So I just like to test it out, but as you all see, as soon as I pull my hair back down, it fell right into place. So that is one thing that I do like about wearing my hair in this state, is because it can be very flexible with very different hairstyles. As always, I hope you all really enjoyed the video, found it useful, especially if you are looking for doobie wrap type hairstyles that are not quite bone straight. This is pretty much a style for you. As always, I hope to see you all in the next video. See ya.